What if electricity disappeared worldwide? You flip the switch and nothing. Your phone's dead, the elevator's stuck, traffic lights are out, stores won't open, and it's not just you. Across the entire world, electricity is gone. What would happen to our civilization if it vanished for good? Within hours, chaos. Traffic lights fail, gridlock. Subways and trains stop, stores stay closed, cash registers don't work. Water vanishes, pumps are useless without power. Phones, dead within a day. No internet, no TV, no news. Hospitals rely on backup generators, but fuel lasts only days. Surgeries halt. Incubators shut off. Life-saving machines become junk. Mail, logistics, refrigerators, all frozen. Food rots fast. Store fridges go silent. People hoard supplies. Riots begin. Factories stop. Aviation gone. All flight systems are electronic. Military and police, partially paralyzed. No comms, no coordination. The world regresses to the 1800s, but worse. We're too dependent on electricity. People adapt, building a new life without power. Mechanical clocks, handwritten mail, candles, kerosene, firewood. Horses replace cars, barter replaces digital money, medicine regresses, education stalls, science freezes. Fun fact, without electricity, Earth's population would plummet. Our civilization hangs by a thread of wires and microchips. But there's a silver lining. Less pollution, more face-to-face interaction, revival of traditional crafts, total global blackout? Unlikely. But partial collapse? Possible. Solar flares could trigger mass outages. Cyber attacks could crash national grids. A nuclear EMP, electromagnetic pulse, fries electronics for miles. And then, this scenario becomes real. We're addicted to electricity. But maybe we should learn to live without it, because no one's immune.